Hi guys, I just want to show you your year 4 knowledge sheet. It's a little bit different than your year 3 knowledge sheet. For now, I just want you to focus on the top part for me. You can do all the orange beehives. Don't worry about the blue ones. Just do the orange beehives. Okay, but first I need to show you, if you look at the first part, it says, give the number 10 more and 10 less. Now remember, if you still can, if you look at the first number, 358, the number that's going to be more will be on the right-hand side. So that will be the answer over there for more. Less will be on that side. Okay, so if you look at 358 over here, what I want you to do is just in your head, do the place value letters. An H for hundreds, a T for tens, and an O for all the ones. Okay, so the question is 10. What is 10 more? 10 less than this number. So the trick over here is to look at your 10 column. It's the only column you have to look at over here. Okay, so the 3 will stay the same. So what is 10 more than 50? I know it's 16. I know you guys know too. And then the 9 will stay the same. So the only thing that changes is the 10 column. So 10 more than 359 is 360. 69. Mrs. TT made a yucky one over there. Sorry. Okay. Now, what is 10 less than 359? Still, only look at the 10 column. 3 will stay the same. What is 10 less than 50? That's 40. And the 9 will stay the same. So only the tens column changed. So 10 less than 359 is 349. Okay, now look over here. I'm just going to rub this one out. The next one is asking us, what is 100 less than 100 more? So if you do exactly what I've done just now, in your head, you go and you have the number, and then you make your place value letters, hundreds, tens, and ones. Okay, it says give the number 100 more and 100 less. So we're looking at the hundreds column now. Okay, so what is 100 more than 300? It's 400. And then the rest of the numbers stay exactly the same. Okay, and now what is 100 less than 345? What is 100 less than 3? 200. And then the others stay exactly the same. So give the numbers 100 more and 100 less. That will be 245. And the other one will be 445. Okay, so that is the part that will be a little bit tricky for you guys, but it can still be very easy if you know your place value columns. Right, so the next thing that I want to show you is, this is quite my favorite one, and it says put this and put that or that in the circle. Now, this, I like to represent them as crocodile mouths. Okay, so these are my crocodile mouths, and that is an equal sign. Okay, an equal means they are the same. So if two numbers are the same, you will put an equal sign in the center of these numbers. Now you can see that there are no numbers that are the same on both sides, so we won't use an equals on this page. Okay, but this over here means you're going to show me what number is bigger, and this one is what number is smaller. Now if you want to remember, a smart way how to remember this is if you look at the crocodile's mouth. Now when a crocodile is very hungry, it opens its mouth and it's going to eat whatever comes in its mouth. Okay, so if you want the biggest number, you need to have the mouth facing the biggest number. Because if it's facing the smallest number, then it's not going to eat the small number. It's wants the bigger number. So if we look at 65 and 18, 65 is the biggest number, right? Okay, 18 is very small. So the crocodile doesn't want 18. It only wants 65. So what we have to do is we have to open our mouth like that and let the crocodile eat 65. So its head over here is closing it. It's going, I don't want you. Right. Let's look over here. The 90 is the biggest one over here. So the crocodile's mouth is going to be wide open to go and eat 90. It wants to gobble 90 up. Okay. 43 and 29. The biggest one over here is 43. So let's open the crocodile's mouth so that it can eat 43. It's going to go and munch 43. Right. So over here at the bottom, if we look, it says skip counts in 3s and 4s. Now that's very easy. You are supposed to be able to do that. It's just counting in 2s and 5s, but this is in 3s and 4s. So you're going to skip numbers 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, and you're going to carry on with the rest. Okay, and this one is skip counting in 4s. 30. Oh, it's not counting in 4s. 30, 34, 36, 30. Oh, there's a mistake over here. This should have been 38. No, this is a mistake, guys. Sorry about this one. If you get this page, just scratch it out. Don't worry about doing it because that is a mistake. Well, I hope you understand about the 10s more and 10s less, and 100s more, 100 less, and a crocodile mouth to eat the biggest number. Okay, so it's always open towards the biggest number. And an equals is for the same.